I just got the chair in today. We're gonna set it up. No tools necessary. They're included along with the screw. All right, it's an Allen wrench. All the tools necessary are included in here. So we're gonna put this together and see how it looks. So this is pretty much unpack how it looks like. All the parts, make sure you have everything and follow the instructions. They're also included. All right, the first part, assemble along with the wheels. This took me about 10 minutes. All right, so this is not very difficult. The Allen wrench made it easier. Sorry, just took up the plastic, but we're gonna put it back on. The Allen made it very simple to actually install. So this is very important. You need to take these off. All right, and this is forward. This has a little arrow. It tells you how to put the bottom part. All right, this is the side. Same goes to the side. All right, so you can take out the screws. All right, we got this part going. Now we need the actual base, the back.
Hi, today we have this office chair, great for home or office. It comes along with the pump that you're able to pump the lower part of the chair to give you more back support. Also has adjustable armrests so that you can either pull up or put down if you want to rest your arm on them. Also is adjustable for height, so you can lower it down or up depending on how you feel more comfortable. Very comfortable to use both at home and in the office.